Chef Anthony here, corporate chef at Don's Appliances. We're in the Experience Center. We're so excited, man. We're talking about Jenn Air Steam Ovens. Today we're gonna do some quinoa and we're gonna do some shrimp right in the steam oven. Show you how nice and easy it is. Okay guys, we got our shrimp tossed in Old Bay and olive oil. We put it in our perforated pan. We have the quinoa in the solid pan, equal parts quinoa and liquid. Shrimp's gonna go on top, quinoa's gonna go on bottom. All right, we're on our Jenn Air Steam Oven. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go right to preset foods. We're gonna scroll all the way down to fish and shellfish. We're gonna go right up to shrimp. Hit OK, it's gonna tell us to fill our water container. We have it in already and locked, ready to roll. All right, we're gonna pop the quinoa in on the bottom. All right, next we're gonna put the shrimp in right on top of that. Okay, nice and in there. Close our door. All right, we're gonna hit OK. It's gonna say 170 degrees, 10 minutes, starting now. All right guys, our 10 minutes are up. Timer's going off. Open our Jenn Air Steam Oven. Nice steam. Let's pull out the quinoa, perfectly cooked. Shrimp, let's get that guy out as well. Very nice, super nice and easy guys. Takes 10 minutes in the Jenn Air Steam Oven. Simple as that.